Yo, what's up guys? My name is Brian Barron here, and today's well, we're not actually going to be doing the bucket series today. Today is the first episode of our bucket minigame tutorials, or Spigot Minigame tutorials, because I love minigames. Anyways, so today's episode is just going to be setting up our minigame. So let's make a new Java project. What are we calling this minigame? Bam! Minigame. Now, I have to decide what minigame we're going to be doing. I hate this part, deciding. Sorry if you can hear the music in the background. It's not me, I swear. Minigame. And you guys know the drill. We've been doing this long enough. Just gonna make a main class. Of course, we're gonna make a new package. Dot commands for our commands. We're gonna make a new package. Listeners for our listeners. Make a new package. Dot events for our events. Utilities. I'm just gonna make a utils. Sorry, I'm burping. I think that's what we're gonna have for now. We'll obviously add more to this, but for now I don't think we're gonna be doing any more of that. So we're going to be first off, we need to properties, Java build path, add external jars, spigot, just do that. Need to extends Java plugin. So sorry I haven't been seeing you guys lately, because I've been working on a couple projects myself on my actual programming computer, and you guys will be seeing that real soon, because I'm going to be doing some spotlights on that, because these projects are insane. So extend Java plugin. We're gonna add override, because in most minigames we're going to need to override the on enable and the on disable, because we're going to be using these more than we usually do. Ah, shit. Public void. There we go. Okay. And we're just going to actually disable. There we go. We're gonna make an override. Public. Oh no, we don't need. I forgot we have a commands package. Okay. What am I gonna do? Okay. So we're gonna actually make a new method called public void register commands, and this is where we're gonna register our commands. Public void register events. We're gonna register our events here. Actually no, since we have an actual events package, we have to make this listeners, because they're actually called listeners. So inside of our on enable, we're going to do register commands. And register listeners. Okay, so now that we've made that, that's what we're going to be doing inside of our main class. For now, we're going to make a new class. I think I've explained all of this using commands in separate classes and using events in separate classes. I think I've already went through all of this. So we're actually going to be doing, I'm not sure what kind of minigame we're going to be doing. Minigames won't need a lot of array lists, because we're going to be using configs. I do not think we went over configs in our bucket tutorials. So, I need to think of something to do. Fast. Water tastes good. Trust me, guys. You need to drink more water. Every day when you wake up in the morning, drink a glass of water. It's good for you, trust me. This is all stalling, so I'm just probably gonna cut out most of my stalling. I'm gonna pause it right here, and then I'll come back when I'm ready with an idea. Hey guys, what's up? I'm back. So, actually what we're going to be making is, we're going to be making, I came back here and then I forgot what I was about to say. That's cool. Oh yeah, we're gonna be making team deathmatch. Team deathmatch is probably the easiest thing to do, and we don't need to do any we don't need to use any config files because I haven't taught you guys how to use config files. I'm gonna try to use all of the resources that I've already taught you inside of my bucket tutorial series, and I've only gotten so far because I've been working on other projects and such. So what I just did was I made a class inside of commands named game start, and let me just format that, game start, and I made a new package called enums, which we're going to no, we're not going to make a class, I lied. We're going to make an enum. That's why I named it enum. So we're just going to name this team, and inside of our team enum, we're just going to say team 1, team 2. Oh, I can't put spaces, I lied. Team 1, team 2. Okay, that should be easy enough to remember. So inside of our team 1 and team 2, we're actually going to need another enum. I want to make this game state. So we have to get the state inside of the game. So we're just gonna make this post game. We're going to make in game lobby. There's gonna be lobby, post game, in game, pregame. Pregame is basically just, how do I explain this? Actually no, post game is kind of like a pregame, so we're just gonna leave it at that. We're gonna add more stuff to this actually. We're gonna have a public boolean can join, and we're just gonna leave it at that. Return can. I need to make a can join equals true. Oops. What the hell did I? What was I thinking? What was I thinking? Okay, wait. Let me think this through. Okay, no, we can't just add this. We need to say, I need to make a method. We needed to return something, but I'm thinking of the best way to do it. I'm just gonna make a okay, you know what? For now, we're just gonna make this false. Okay, just to remove that, and then we'll edit that later. So, inside of our team, this should be good. Inside of a game start, we're not gonna have anything in there. Inside of our events, we need to make a. So basically, we're just going to be we're just gonna be setting things up. Implements listener, control spell, public void act event handler, public void on player break, and we have to Josh though. And to make a block break event E G Josh Hill. I'm pretty sure I went over block break events, I think. Not really sure, but you all know what an event is, so I'm going to be explaining everything after I code it out. So just give me a second here. Oh, that was so gross. Inside of here, what else do we need actually? Can join. We need to. Now, for now, we can make anything. Our commands. We're gonna type a new command. We're gonna say my team because we want the player to know what team he's in. Implements command command executor. There we go. Controls. And just gonna make it on command there. As you all know what's happening here, you know the drill. Just gonna make the command statement or method. We'll label, make that there with this. If sender instance of player, then we're just gonna do this. Player equals player player sender, bam, import, and what else do we need? Oh, we need to make the game start. Implements command executor. I'm just gonna make it command. Wow, that one real wrong. Okay, on command, bam, Control T, format, Control Shift F, format, args, sender, command, label. So basically, I want every I put this in the wrong thing. It has to be here. Yeah, just save, yeah. So I just want everything to have, almost everything to have a class in it, so we don't go off empty-handed, except for events. I'm going to leave in this episode events empty. So what is this? Close. Inside of our utils, we're going to make a chat utility. Chat utils. I'm going to make a public void, not public static void. No, it's not going to be public static string. We're going to make a starter. So like starter, bam. I'm going to return chat color dot black. This is just gonna be, I shall explain it later, don't worry. Chat, Jesus, chat color dot, yeah, gold, and this is gonna be, actually, you know what, chat color dot gold dot toString, bam. Don't worry guys, I'll be explaining everything here, especially this toString thing that you've never seen before. Oops. Chat color dot black. I'm just gonna do that. Bam. I'm just gonna make this server. I mean, like, I don't know what, like, whatever your server name is, I guess. That can't really do anything except for player.send message. I mean, we're just gonna get rid of that. I just don't like seeing, oops. I just don't like seeing errors, so we're just gonna put that there. Because we are going to end up sending the player a message what team he's on. Actually, you know what? Chat utils dot starter plus you bam. You're on plus team. So basically what's going to happen here is just we're going to put in the starter. Starter will return this, which is basically like, have you ever seen those like broadcast message, like an auto broadcast, it'll have like the parentheses and auto broadcast, like auto broadcast. So that's basically what we're doing here, except instead of always typing in this, I just made a method saying starter, and it will just always, instead of me having to type this out, I can just say, you know, chat utils starter. It's easier that way. So let me start explaining my code. And here, you know the drill. I'm just, you know, making my new command methods and, like, you know, that stuff. Control S. What? Oh, that's just nothing. Don't worry. It'll go away after we close everything. We're making our enum here, post game in game lobby. So, and then we'll make this true. Okay, just put that in there for now, because we will be using that. False, oh, no, true. Post game, we will not allow them to go in. Okay, so basically, for now, there's going to be an error here, but there will not be one later on, because we're going to be, so basically what it's saying here is, in our post game, we're gonna return can join. Can they join? No, they cannot join because it's gonna return false. If they're in game, obviously they cannot join, so it's gonna return false. If they're in lobby, they're going to be able to join because they're in the lobby, so we're gonna return true. Sooner or later, we'll be adding some code into our can join method, but for now, I want to keep things simple, simple, simple. In our teams, we made an enum with the teams. How long is this getting? Okay, we made 2 teams, team 1, team 2. We're gonna be using that later. Already went through this. I made here a register commands method and a register listeners method. Chat utils, already explained this. Player break, I need to add my constructor. Public player break main PL main, and we're just gonna do PL equals main. There's a constructor for this. We're just gonna copy and paste this. Copy my team. I'm gonna put it in my team. So I'll set up my team. Bam. I'm just gonna rename this my team. Okay, my team, we're gonna game start, bloom. We're gonna make this game start, bam. See how simple. So instead of remain, we're just going to do get command. You guys already know how to register commands and such, so I will not be going over that because it would be redundant. Get command slash my team dot set executor, bam, set executor, and it's going to be new new my team this, bam. Okay, what's going on? Oh, just gotta import that. We're just gonna copy and paste this because we have another command, and this is gonna be slash game start my gosh, I keep putting state. And we're gonna do this, game start. And register listeners, control shift L. Register listeners, we need to register the player break method. So we're just gonna do, what was it? Oh yeah. Get server. Now we need to put this dot get server. Get server dot get plugin manager. Plugin manager dot register events listener new player break this. Bam. See how easy that was? This. Oh, yeah, this. Okay. So yeah, we just need to add that. So you know how to register events like already, so I'm not gonna go over that either. So this is just like a shortcut of, instead of actually having to do this like multiple times, putting it inside of here, we're just gonna make a register listeners method and just put it in there, you know. Simple, simple, simple. Sorry, I'm just trying to really rush this because I have plans. Don't worry about these errors, they'll all go away. Oh no, this one won't go away because there's actually an error there. This will go away. Bam. Okay, so as we close all, see, this one does not go away, and no, this one, was it game? No, it was my team. Yeah, see, this one went away. It's just randomly gives me those errors. I don't know. So I think that's it for this tutorial. Setting up, you know, really simple. This went on longer than I wanted it to, 20 minutes. Not as long as I wanted it to, but I mean, what can I do? So we're just setting up. I hope you guys like this. I was kind of quiet. You'll see me tomorrow, I believe, because it's kind of getting late, trying to go to bed. So I just thought I had to upload a video. Goodbye, guys. Hope you enjoyed the first bucket minigame tutorial. Bye.